Hello, all you beautiful souls. You are listening to Preeti Vora. I'm a tarot card reader and an emotional health advisor, and today I'm online here talking about some sleep issues. This has come in as a special request from many people who have started facing sleep issues during this lockdown. So, having a good sleep definitely calls for good health. And if you are not able to get enough good sleep for yourself at the right time, then this is the video that you must listen to. So, how do you care for yourself and ensure that you sleep well? I would like you to recollect your childhood, or if you're a parent, what is it that you all did to sleep train your children? The very first thing as a child, when you have to train a child to put the child to bed, to sleep train a child at a particular time, you set a regular routine for the child. So there's a fixed time where the child brushes teeth, there's a fixed time where the child gets into bed, it could be a story reading time, and then eventually the child slips into deep sleep very peacefully and naturally. So why can't we become children too? It's very, very important that even as adults, we have a good routine set for ourselves. Now, when I say this, I would also want to bring to your notice the very first thing that disrupts our routine completely is this very handset where you're watching this video. So yes, the mobile is one very big culprit in disrupting sleep patterns. So it's best that after you're done with your dinner, you give yourself some time of relaxation on your mobile, but then set a timeline, set a cutoff, after which the mobile is set aside. Okay, you can simply put your mobile on silent so that you're not disturbed by the incoming messages or WhatsApps or the tweets or any kind of other notifications that are active on your various apps. So put your phone on silent and put it aside. Complete your night routine which you set for yourself. Could be your brush, freshening up, a nice hot shower, or simply dipping your feet in warm water can relax you completely. You can also light soothing incense sticks or burn a diya in your bedroom. This definitely helps in cutting down any kind of thoughts and induces good peaceful sleep. You can listen to sounds of nature or sleep music patterns which help you relax, help your brain go into a relaxed state, and you can eventually slip into a deep sleep pattern. Also ensure that if you are used to having caffeine, coffee or tea, avoid it in later evenings. Try to finish it off by say maybe 5 or 6 p.m. and don't incorporate any of it. If you really want a soothing drink, it could be a light flavored water, or plain boiled water is also good enough, or maybe hot milk, haldi doodh. It's been traditional, it's old, it's going on since years. You can use that as well, and then to slip into deep sleep. Now, it's very important that you get adequate amount of sleep. Now, for which often people nowadays are slipping into sleep late because it's lockdown time, y'all are at home, so we can wake up at our convenience in the morning, or if you're from work from home, you don't take a shower, you just get up and hit onto your laptop, and that's how your day starts. So even that is a very unhealthy pattern. You must set a good morning routine as well for yourself. So determine a time when the alarm rings, you wake up, do your morning prayers, do your morning chores, do your exercises, mental, emotional as well as physical exercises to keep yourself healthy and balanced. Once you start setting up your morning routines as well, you will ensure that you hit the bed at the right time. Now, for your bedroom as well, you can create an ambience. As I said, lighting an incense stick or a diya will really add value to helping you create the right kind of ambience in your bedroom so that you get into deep sleep. So, It's best for you to set right routines. You can listen to soft music or maybe powerful affirmations that you can chant for yourself, or even listen on your earplugs and simply head to sleep on a more calmer, lighter note with a lot of positivity. And it is definitely proven that you will enjoy deep, peaceful sleep, thus resulting in great good health for yourself. If you have any more questions or queries with respect to this, please feel free to write into me. All of the details are given in the message box below. If you like the work that I do, show me some love by subscribing to my channel, liking my videos and sharing it with all those who need it. You never know whose life you will touch. Stay blessed, stay indoors, stay healthy.